Hi, I'm Nish, founder of Nepal Tea Collective. What do we do at Nepal Tea Collective? We sell teas. Yeah, the freshest organic teas from the high mountains of Nepal. Are our teas any good? Nah, they're f***ing delicious. They've won several different awards. So what do you expect? All our teas come straight from the farms. So they're high quality, organic, and made with real ingredients. And not your artificial ones that come from the market. And who said you need to choose between healthy and delicious? We've got both in a single cup. Even your grandma wouldn't settle for less in her younger days, right? And who likes spending $20 on a tea brand that doesn't even reveal their sources? That's shady, folks. We're transparent as a glass. Hello. Don't believe us? Here, scan the journey for yourself. You know, our goal is to get 1 million farmers out of poverty. How much are you earning last year? How much are you earning now? You see, you just helped this guy make some bucks. So quit wasting time shopping around for boring teas and decide where you're gonna stack up all this gold. Oops. Tea. Wondering how our team is always on the go and providing you the best possible teas? It's because we're always high on tea!